at though?
We're at the closing company, baby. Title company. That's where deals happen. I need to put my. I mean, usually they come to my office, but it was like a last minute thing, so I come over here once in a while. And I never really close wholesale deals, but every once in a while you gotta do a double close. And it's only because the seller was like, no and/or signs on the contract. I've already dealt with it too much, blah blah blah. So there's a way around that. It's called a double close. So you just put a contract with the buyer, separate contract with the seller, and if your title company's cool, they can pass funds. If they don't do that, you need to cash it out yourself or get transactional funding. So.
Hello, I didn't recognize you with your Santa hat.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
I'm
goodness.
in Christmas spirit today.
It's a little something for you.
Ooh.
So here's where you're purchasing it from.
Yeah, 15.
So that's what we're gonna have to move over.
2,000 that we already put. Yeah.
You're the only one you do double close for.
Oh, okay.
I don't do it for anyone else.
Oh, good.
But yeah, it's just like after you close, I've got to go get with accounting for them to move the money from here to here. So it takes a couple hours. It's not gonna be done right away.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, they'll see that we do a lot of deals, and we don't do it often. We only do it when we have to.
Yeah.
Like this guy specific said, I do not want an assignment. And so he didn't let us put it on the contract assignable. Oh. So that's the only reason I did it. Man, this is a hell of a file. It was tough.
I know. I don't know how you ended up doing it. That's great.
I don't know either. This guy came.
Ended up doing it.
This guy came last minute from Seattle and closed on it the next day. Like I barely met this guy a few days ago.
You met him in person and then you told him you have this deal or what?
Somebody referred him to me.
Nice. Okay, so that was just saying that we'll fund as soon as all funds are received. And where do you want your title policy mailed? Alright, well then we are done.
Alrighty.
I'll go look to see if I'll let you know if they sent the docs in the wire.
Okay.
Because Mr. Seller was expecting to get paid today.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'll get you.
We'll go have some lunch, a team lunch.
Alright.
Soon, maybe at the beginning of the new year.
Yeah, let's do that.
You know? This is the freaking pop, man. This was the hardest deal I've closed in a while. It was honestly clutch, like for real. Buyer backed out 3 days before. A freaking what is it called when someone just stays in the house?
Squatter.
A squatter moved into the bottom unit. That's why they backed out, because they couldn't get them out. So then it was 3 days to closing. It was a nice size fee, and I didn't want to let it go, so I did all I could. Someone brought me a buyer from Seattle. They flew down the next day. And
that's how you know we're on the south side, you know.
We're gonna have to get a food up high. Come on. Bro, so here we are. He closed the next day, bro. You want something or what? Hey, Dan, for real pie? Sweet. Okay, what do you want?
I'll take like a little ice cream.
Little ice cream?
Like a bomb pop or something.
Original, sir?
Oh yeah, original. The good old fashioned, dude.
Yeah. But anyways, so dude, he freaking flew down, came, looked at it, signed it up, flew back, wired it today. That's clutch. Crazy. So that was dope, man. It was cool. So right now, what I told him, since he did that for me, I'm gonna come board it up, put signs all on it, and put signs all on it. It says no trespassing. I'm gonna go in there and make sure they're definitely not in there again. I told them cops are gonna come next time. I got them out myself, me and my partner, and so yeah, here we are. We got it to closing. We went to closing earlier. You saw that. It's finally done. What time is it, bro?
It's almost 6 o'clock.
It's 6 o'clock. We got a company Christmas party at 7:30. We're all the way in the south side. It's on the way to the other side of town at Perry Steakhouse. So, and I still gotta get some gifts. So, you know, that's how we live life.
Yeah.
All right. So today, I gotta be bad Santa. I gotta make sure nobody's in here before I pour this thing out. Hey, who's in here? Hey, who's in here? I'm gonna lock it up. Hey, I'm gonna lock it up. Y'all are in here, come out. So, I'm gonna lock it up. Damn, bro, look. Pipes.
Man, they were not living a healthy lifestyle, as you can see here, ladies and gentlemen.
Crack pipes.
This is the reality of wholesaling, and you know, it's not all pretty.
Yeah. I mean, you're helping somebody out of a bad situation. It's a bad situation, obviously.
Yeah, it's a horrible way of living. Horrible.
But I just want to show the realities of the type of properties we deal with. This is real life, you know? In this business, you win when you're able to do win-win-win scenarios. What I mean by that is I found the seller that was in California that was having trouble because these people weren't paying, the people upstairs weren't paying, and these people were the only ones paying out of all three. I helped him by putting it under contract for a price that he thought was fair. I found another investor in a different part of the country who thought that this was a good deal. Okay? They both won, and I won. Win-win-win. And that's when you become successful in this business. You gotta learn how to help everybody. All parties gotta benefit. First company Christmas dinner, so I'm excited about it. We didn't have a company last year, so.
Okay, toast to 2021 to being an amazing year for all of us.
There you go.
2021.
I got something to say, man. We got a solid crew, bro.
Yeah.
Like, we're solid. We're all in sync, and it's a matter of time till the universe, like he said, is gonna reward us. So we're going to the top.
Hey.
Going to the top, baby. Let's go.
How many do I have to do?
All right.
Yo, I'm blessed to be with y'all, dog. Y'all are hilarious. Y'all are fun to work with. We're all killers. Everybody does what they need to do. And I'm excited to see, what happens next year, dog.
Killers!
I'm all silent. Let's keep it rolling, man. We're doing great. Momentum is up. Like, super up right now. We're ending the year on the right note. That's right. Let's keep it going.
That's right.
Keep it
going.
We're doing this after everyone?
Yeah.
This is what we do.
Jerry Jones. Yeah. I mean, I know I don't say much, but shit, I'm grateful for our team, man. I mean, we're clicking. Everybody's clicking. I mean, the only way's up, right?
Cheers!
Come on, man. Come on.
Words.
Oh God.
Wise words here.
Okay, well, I film a lot of teams, and I've seen a lot of, groups in this business, and I can honestly say that this is one of the most charismatic, systematic, and focused groups out of all the ones that I filmed.
I said I was never going to live in Texas, and here I am with the best group of people I've been with, honestly, the last 5-6 years. So I'm grateful. I do think we're all going up. I feel it. I'm a very spiritual person, so I feel like y'all we're sharks.
Oh yeah?
Feel that. For real.
We'll be big, baby.
I just want to say, bro, for real, from the bottom of my heart, what's happening right now is crazy. It just feels crazy. You know what I mean? When I was thinking of how it was gonna be, this is it. And just the way that all these characters came together and gelled, it's everything came, nothing was forced. And this still ain't nowhere near the top of the vision. But I can see it unfolding, and it's crazy. You know what I mean? And everybody's just gelling, and everybody's so different. Everybody's so authentic here. Everybody's so much themselves, you know what I mean? And it's very, it just feels easy, to be around us. I hope everybody's making the most money they ever made. I just want to say, man, just I thank y'all for seeing the vision and everybody just like playing their part and the best that they could be. And there ain't no stopping us. Like that's what it is. Like this time next year, I think we're gonna like really. It's not gonna just be a slow growth. It's gonna be like an explosion. Like you know what I mean? And I just see it happening. I hope everybody's there at the end, at the finish line, dude. Because we got big plans. So just that, man.
I'm all with it. We'll sound for that one, man.